Hello everybody, I want to show you this video how you can change the language at the Huawei Y6s. So by the way, this works also for the Y7s and Y9s. So first of all, let me tell you, whatever language you have on your phone right now or whatever symbols you see on your phone right now, the way I will show you now will be always the same. So just follow carefully which positions I show you and which symbols I show you that you can change the language. So let us start. So you can always go to the settings. If you scroll down here and go here to that symbol, then you can go always to the settings, and then we will need as our next step the last point. It's the point system. You can recognize it here with that symbol, the gray field with an eye in it. So tap it. So then we need the first point, language and input. Tap it. And now we need the first point, language and region. Tap it. So, and if you are on that screen, and you will have a list here already. And if your language here is on that list, so like German now, so let us try, then you go on the two lines here and put it in front. Then the phone will change into the German language. So in case your language is not part here of that list, let me show you how it works. So let me put it back in English here that I can show you it better. Okay, now it's back in English. And if your language is not part here of that list, so just go here on that point, add language. It's written in capital letters, and then you will have here the opportunity to choose your language. Let's take here Spanish, so Español. So, and you can go here on change directly to change the language. And Español is our first language. Okay, now everything is in Spanish, but let me show you something else again. So I will put my English language here again on the top. Now English is my main language. You can also change the dialect if you want. So if you tap here on region now, actually we have the dialect of the United Kingdom. So let me show you here. Our flashlight is it's now named torch. And if you may change then the region here to another country, you have many, then let's go here to the American English, to the United States. Then we have here the dialect now from the United States, and we can see it well here because the torch is now named flashlight. So it works very well. And yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. Would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And maybe until next time. Ciao.